How to fix Telegram not sending photos. When Telegram refuses to send photos, the issue is usually with permissions or storage. Start by checking if Telegram has access to your photos or media. On Android or iOS, go to Device Settings, find Telegram under Apps, and confirm that storage and media permissions are allowed. Next, check your internet. Slow or unstable connections can block media uploads. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it makes a difference. Try compressing the image slightly or sending it in a different format like JPEG. Also, make sure Telegram is not in data saver mode, which can limit media uploads. If you are using Telegram Web, try clearing your browser cache or switching browser entirely. Have you had issues sending large files on Telegram? Let's discuss about it in the comments below. If this worked for you, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.